everyone, and welcome to my nature show. Today, we are in the most dangerous place on Earth, a children's park. Let's get started. Okay, everyone, I have to be very sneaky here. Back there is a dinosaur, one of the most dangerous creatures on Earth. Let's go pet it. Hey, Mr. Dinosaur. Oh no, he's got me. I've turned the camera. Okay, guys, it's time for my next daring attempt. I'm going to cross the legendary Death Bridge.
No, you don't cross the bridge.
He says cross the bridge.
No, I said don't.
Yep, he says cross the bridge. Let's go. Crikey, everyone. I'm about to cross the bridge of death. I'm about to take my first step. Oh, crikey. Oh, everything went down. Also, on my journey, I witnessed one of the locals doing karate moves. I don't know why I recorded it, but it was pretty cool. Well, everyone, this is Mike here, and I have had such a crazy adventure. And as always, thanks for watching. Now, if you excuse me, I'm a kangaroo. Meow.
That's not what a kangaroo sounds like.
Well, what do you know?
What did you do?
Ah.
Yeesh. Well, did you vanish?